Hello gardening friend. Today I'm going to be going inside of Pike Nurseries. I've never seen this nursery before, but they called me out to do some work for them. So let's go inside and take a look and you'll see why I like it. It's conveniently located here between Route 85 and Route 77 on the Beltway around Charlotte. All right, here we are going through the front door. Here's a nice display of their gardening and landscaping materials. That's cute. They've got lots of compost and soil supplies here. I always look for the OMRI listing because it's nice to know that it's OMRI listed if you're interested in organic gardening. Here they have some seeds. These are USDA organic, as you can see on this pack of cilantro. That's a nice thing to look for. Got lots of supplies for feeding birds, if you like to feed birds. Now we have lots of soil amendments. And then we have some bug sprays. I might not be into all those. Some nice tools. Look at those nice tools. I could use some of those tools for sure. Some perlite. You can all use perlite if you have a garden. They have lots of chairs and lawn and or garden or patio, I guess I should say, patio furniture. Wind chimes. Very nice clean showroom. Okay, let's walk out where the plants are. These plants look like they're a little bit affected by the heat because this is summertime. They got lots of nice pots and ceramic planters. Probably these planters are cheaper than you could buy the clay for, really. Right, let's keep on walking. Lots of pretty plants, hostas, more containers, lots of containers. I like that chair. These are pretty cool maples. Look at that. Japanese maples. They almost look like bonsais the way they've got them pruned down. I think those are the ones that you can keep small. Right, and there's some other maples that look like they would be the bigger ones. All right, now we're getting to one of my favorite garden crops, which would be figs. Let's see what kind of figs they have. These figs look really great. Very healthy. They got lots of figs on them. Let's see what this one is. And then Black Italian. Black Italian fig. And here we have another Black Italian fig. Here we have a Celeste. Celeste is a very popular fig in North Carolina. It does really well. Historically, it's been one of the favorites here. This one has a lot of figs on it already. Very nice plants. It's probably some of the best fig trees I've seen in a nursery. There's a brown turkey, another favorite variety. It's got lots of figs on there too. I don't know if you took these and planted them this year, if you'd still get figs, because it would have some transplant shock and all. You could probably leave it in a container and you might be able to get some figs out of those this year still. That looks cool. like an orange tree. I came over to see if it was one of those Meyer lemons, but it looks like it's a orange tree. Okay, there's the other side of the figs. Let's see if they have any different ones here. Yeah, another Celeste. Lots of figs on there. It's a brown turkey again. They are a little pricey, but they're probably 3 or 4 year old trees the way they look. They're nice and bushed out. Alright, those hydrangeas look like they're a little bit not liking the hot weather as well. There's some ornamental grasses for your landscaping. Lots of landscaping supplies and trees, bushes. There's some azaleas. They look pretty good. They look better than the ones I have planted in front of our house. Oh, and they do free landscape design. I think it said you had to pay if you had them come out for over a $3,500 job. They would give you a free design, which is a pretty good value. Some sculptures and fountains for your garden. They had some really nice fountains. Really enjoyed looking at those. They'd be fun to have in the garden. That one's cool, the way it shoots out the water into like a cross pattern. I don't know how it does that. I looked at it and I didn't figure out how it did that. There's some herbs that look like some basil and sage. We have some caladiums. They love the shade. I think they're very beautiful. I have some of those in our yard. And there's some calais. They're very easy to grow. You have to keep cutting them back to keep them looking good. Oh, I wanted to show you these, some of these yard art things, but I thought these were really cool. The mushrooms. They're nice and colorful, nice and bright. They'd look great in any garden. Or they look good in your house too. I mean, they look so cool. I love black-eyed Susans. Some more planters. These planters are really cool. They're lightweight and they've got like legs underneath them. Very cool designs. They would look great on a patio too. So this room here has succulents. Lots and lots of succulents. Lots of containers to put them in as well. Very nice plants. Gotta say, I'm pretty impressed with this store. Now, I did talk to the manager, and he said they have 24 locations in California. They've got, I think he said, 8 in Georgia and 4 in North Carolina. This store is actually in Highland Creek, and it is one of the newest stores, or I think he said it is the newest store that they have opened. So that's probably one reason why it looks so nice and clean, like everything is in very good shape. All right, let's go back and get one more look at the showroom. Got lots of furniture for your patio deck. Lots of cool artwork, and there's some lighting. Metal. Look at that chicken. That is so cool. Some more chickens. Floor mats. All right, that was Pike Nursery in Highland Creek, Charlotte, North Carolina. I think that's got to be one of the nicest nursery stores I've ever been in. I'll put a link up here to my channel video so you can learn a little bit more about me if you'd like to. The goal of my channel is to give you information to help you become a better gardener. So let me know how I'm doing in the comments below. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. It's still free. Thanks for watching. Have a blessed day. We'll see you again real soon.